Good morning everyone. Happy Saturday. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to get the background away from a photo that you might be using. This is a chip bag that I created a while back, and I'm just going to bring my grandson in and place him on here. But I have to take the background out first. So I'm going to go to my folder down here at the bottom, and I'm going to right click on his photo here. I'm going to look for open with, and then I'm going to open with Photoshop. So I click on that. So here his image here, but it's locked, so I can't do anything with it right now. So I need to convert to normal layer. You can click on that and it will release it. And actually what it did is just unlocked it for you. Or you can just go up here and you can just click unlock. So now what I want to do is get this image here. So what I need to do is go to crop, and now you see these little brackets here that come on the end, and usually I just take the corner and I just go up and bring it to the part that I want to crop. Then I'm gonna right click inside the image and do crop. Now I want to do a convert to smart object and rasterize. Now I can be able to drag it over to my chip bag. But first, before I do that, I need to zoom in, and I want to take the background out. And this is where the trick comes. So I went and got my 4-way arrow back, which is the move to, so I'll be able to do whatever I want to do with this. And so now I need to actually convert this to an object again, convert to smart object, and rasterize. Now I need to come here to Windows, and I need to bring in my properties. So you click Windows, go all the way down until you see where it says properties. Click on that. Now you don't see anything, but it's hidden behind over here. So if I just take my arrow and press on my left button on my mouse, hold it down, bring it over, and you see properties. Now guess what you also see? Look at here, remove background. Didn't know that, but I'm getting ready to show you. I'm going to click on it, and it's processing, and it will take the background away from my grandson. Look at that. Easy. So all I want to do is just go ahead and get rid of that, and I just close that tab, bring that back over, and now what I want to do is click on here, right click, and do convert to smart object. And I actually still want to rasterize that too. And now he is separated from the background. So now all I have to do is hold my left button down while I'm holding onto this image, drag it up where the chip bags, and drag it down. And there he go. Now I'm holding my shift key so I can stretch him out. And there he goes. Now this wouldn't be the bag that I would use because he's blocking the Hot Wheel words there, but I could put him up here. Now that I have him stretched out, I need to stretch him out a little bit more. Hold my shift key, stretch him, right click, and I can flip him now. Because sometimes when I flip him, if I don't stretch him, it'll flip the whole page. So by holding him like that, stretching them out, I mean, it will allow me to right click and it will show up down here. Okay, so now I can put him up here if I want to, but I actually don't like how it's so much straight. So let me see if I can kind of blend him in. So what I'm going to do is just right click on him and convert to smart object again and rasterize again. Then I'm gonna go down here and add a layer mask. In this box with the circle in it, click on that, and you see here's your layer, extra layer mask there. So now what I want to do, whatever he's sitting on, I want to make sure I lock that. So I'm getting ready to see exactly what he's sitting on, and I'm going to click those. So these two will be what he will be sitting on, and I'm just going to lock it. So now I can put him here, and I'm going to bring him down some. Now with your chip bags, you don't always have to have everything up under this line. it depends on how far you want your crinkles to go. Is up to you. So you can bring this image up as high as here, and the crinkles will go a little bit, just a little bit past this where it won't touch his head. So I have that right there. So now what I want to do is, since he have his added layer, I want to go over here to the brush tool here, click on it, and then I'm going to go up here, and I'm just going to see how big I want that. And I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll explain that to you. So I'm gonna click off, make sure this is black, and click OK. And now I can start. Oh, why are you? Oh, okay. So what I need to do, I didn't. He's not converted. I have to do it over, because for some reason I clicked off, and now I can do it. See, I had to convert him back to Smart Object. And the bigger the circle, the more it blends into the background. And I try to get it on an angle. Because I don't want it to still look kind of like it's going straight across. And if you feel that you need to bring some more of that color back in, all you have to do is switch it with these two arrows. You want the white on the top when you want to add more of his shirt or whatever he have on back, like that. And if you feel that you put too much, flip it, the black on top, and you can take some out. Trying to get it on an angle, and I think I need to bring this down some. Yeah. Because I want it to be like curved around this blue here, like he's behind it. And then swoop this in here. Like that. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna come in here just a little bit. Kind of bring him around this edge here, just like that. All right, so now I can go get my move tool, and I can kind of see how that fits. So I like that pretty well. So yeah, so that's how you be able to do a quick remove background and be able to blend it in all at once. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I am bringing some really cool stuff. I'm in Cricut also now, so I've done a lot of stuff in Cricut now that I've learned how to use it. And I'm still a Silhouette fan. I'm still going to be bringing some Silhouette stuff, because Silhouette and Cricut, it's the same but different house. Okay, so until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.